Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious camarones a la diabla, shrimp in this amazing red sauce that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare these amazing, tender, moist shrimps a la diabla. These are my ingredients. I have black pepper, Mexican oregano, salt, cumin, guajillo chili pods, chile chipotles, 2 tomatoes, half an onion, 5 chiles de árbol, 5 garlic cloves, and 2 pounds of deveined shrimp. I am ready to prepare this amazing camarones a la diabla. So let's get started.
Of course, first things first, getting ready my chiles guajillo pods. Yes, the chile guajillo is going to give this recipe, this sauce, such a delicious and smoky flavor. I am going to remove all the seeds and I'm going to remove the vein. This is what really takes longer, getting clean, removing all the seeds, removing all the veins from the chile guajillos. Well, I'm going to stay cleaning and deveining, removing the seeds, and then putting them on a side. And here I'm ready with my garlic cloves. I have 4 garlic cloves that, of course, I'm going to wake up by smashing them so that it's easy to take the skin off of the garlic cloves. And here, let me tell you, this is... use as much garlic as you want, but 4 is just enough. I have 2 tomatoes that I am going to chop just like this. This is going to make the sauce nice and creamy, nice and delicious. Of course, half an onion. And I am using purple onion, but you could use white onion too, or yellow. I'm just going to slice away. I am going to transfer it to the plate I have on my side, and I'm going to continue. Here, I want to show you that I only have 5 chile de árboles. I'm going to use 4 chiles chipotles. If you don't want to add the chile de árbol, don't add it. It's going to be a little spicy, but not too spicy where you cannot enjoy it. I have 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember, the salt is to taste. If you want to add more salt, go ahead. That's optional. And here I want to show you I have all my ingredients ready. This is ready for you to prepare this amazing camarones a la diabla. The camarones, the shrimp have been deveined. They're nice and cleaned. I took the skin off. And now on the pan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, adding the onion, adding the garlic cloves. I'm going to reserve a little bit of onion so that I could add it into the shrimp a little later. But here we're first going to prepare this amazing sauce. This smoky, delicious, spicy, nice and thick and chunky sauce that we're going to add into our shrimp. Here I'm adding the chiles guajillos, the chiles de árbol. I'm just going to mix away. I'm going to add the tomatoes, incorporate them really good. And now I am ready to add 1.5 cups of water. I am going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes. You really want all the chilies to get nice and hydrated. I'm adding my chile chipotles. Look at this. I only added 4. 4 is just enough. It's going to give this sauce an amazing flavor. 1.5 cups of water, and then just let it simmer for about 5 minutes in medium heat. Let me tell you, the first thing you need to make is this amazing sauce. Yes, it's going to take time because you have it in medium heat. That's exactly how you want it. You really want the chiles guajillos to get nice and hydrated. The guajillos and the chiles de árbol. When they're boiling from the center the way they are now, you're ready to turn off the stove. Let them sit for just a couple of minutes and then transfer them to your blender. Yes, add everything to your blender. Add the spices into your blender. And then you're ready to blend away for a couple minutes. You really want everything to be really blended because we're not going to sift the sauce. We're going to put it as is. So let's blend it for a couple minutes until we don't see any little pieces of the chile guajillo. Now I am ready to start preparing the shrimp. The sauce is ready, so let's continue with the shrimp. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter has dissolved, we're ready to add the shrimp. Remember, the shrimp doesn't take too long to cook, but let me tell you, you don't want to overcook your shrimp. You don't want it rubbery. You still want it soft, moist, juicy. So as soon as you notice that the shrimp changes color into that light pink, add your onion and add your sauce. Let me tell you, I am cooking at medium-high heat. So once you start seeing them nice and pink, add your onion on the top, add your sauce on the top, cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you are ready to enjoy these amazing camarones a la diabla. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for watching all my recipes. Of course, only 2 to 3 minutes, no longer than that. And then you're ready to plate. Of course, I added some white rice, being very generous with the sauce because I love spicy food. And now this is the presentation plate. I can't wait to enjoy. I can't wait to enjoy this amazing camarones a la diabla. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing camarones a la diabla. This shrimp and this amazing sauce. The sauce is always so smoky, so delicious, but yet not too spicy where you cannot enjoy. Let's see. I added some white rice, and of course, I want to taste a little bit of everything. Excuse me. So delicious. The shrimp is not overcooked. It's just amazing. And this sauce, perfection made at home. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing camarones a la diabla. See you soon. Bye-bye.